Uh, 5 minutes. Okay. I'm scared. For some reason, I'm scared. I don't know. I don't know why.
Hey girl, hey, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new, please like and subscribe to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing the do your makeup in 5-minute challenge or something like that. Either way, the moral of the story is I'm going to be trying to do my makeup, do a full beat face in 5 minutes exactly. So I put everything that I need in front of me, everything that I think that I need in front of me. And the goal is to try to do my makeup in 5 minutes and see what I can accomplish. So that is what I'm gonna do. So I have my other phone here. I'm going to put a timer on for 5 minutes. I feel like I'm not gonna be able to achieve everything, and that's gonna be an issue. 5 minutes. Okay. 5 minutes is on the timer. 5 minutes. That's all that I have is 5 minutes. I feel like I'm not going to be able to achieve everything that I want, but I'm going to try. Okay, so I'm starting the timer. I'm scared. For some reason, I'm scared. I don't know why. Okay, I'm starting the timer. It's like I'm looking at everything that I need. Like, I have to look at it to make sure. Okay. I'm starting the timer. Okay. I feel like I'm not gonna have enough time. Let me say how much I'm rushing right now. I didn't even start with my eyebrows. I'm so scared that I'm not gonna have enough time for my foundation. I didn't even touch my eyebrows. That's sad. Where's the love? The loyalty is not there with the eyebrows today. I just gotta really make sure that I got all the foundation that I need on my face. For real, like, well, this not gonna work out. I'm at 4 minutes and 13 seconds. Counting down. Oh my gosh. Ooh. Okay. Oh my god, I'm just doing so much with the foundation. I'm not even doing nothing else. Okay, I just gotta really make sure my foundation is on correctly. Like, it's really important. Okay. I think I'm okay. All in my mouth. Okay. The foundation is on. Oh my god, I got 3 minutes left. There's no way. There is no way. This is gonna look so fucked up. Gotta do my lashes.
Okay, nah, man. 2 minutes?
There's no way. This is so fucked up. I'm gonna just stop looking at the timer and just do it. I didn't even do the eyeshadow. That's the sad part. lashes is on. Powder. This is horrible. I said I was gonna try to do eyeshadow. That didn't work. I need to stop looking at it. Oh, I have a minute. Okay, I think I can do eyeshadow. Oh my god, this is fucked up. I'm like smudging. This is sad. This is so bad. Like, eyeliner. Let's try to put blush on real quick. This is bad. This is so bad. This is so bad. Okay. Gloss, gloss, gloss. I'm gonna put some gloss on. Oh my god. Well, it's my 5 minutes. This is all that I was able to achieve in 5 minutes. So this is my face. It's a 5-minute makeup challenge. I feel like this looks like some stir-fry shit. Like, it really looks bad. Like, the highlight though, it looks a little cute. But yeah, like, the highlight on that side, y'all see it? Okay, but no, this is not how I would do my makeup. Like, this looks terrible. This really looks terrible. Like, look at my eyeshadow. I don't even know what type of eyeshadow that would be considered. I don't feel like, look at my eyeliner, it's smudged. Like, this looks terrible. It really looks terrible. But this was my 5-minute makeup challenge. This is what it is. At least I have a face on, but the face looking a little weird right now. Well, oh man, this is sad. This really is sad. Like, it's not enough time. So this was my 5-minute makeup challenge. I disagree with it. I don't think that this was an okay look. Like, there's so many things that is wrong, but it's okay.
This is my challenge. I did it. I conquered it. It's done. Nothing else. Nothing else needs to be done.
So please like and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more challenges. Tell me what to do next. Yeah.